Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your card collection on the Bilibili Comics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the Me section next to the Library button at the lower right corner of the screen. And here, tap to the Card Collection button next to your username. And here you can find your equipment, consumables, and character cards. But actually, I don't have cards. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.